Leader is participating in Clsolar 2024 in Romania. We sincerely invite you to visit our booth, Hall A4. We believe that there is everything you want to know here. At this exhibition, we will display the latest solar cable and our innovative technologies at the booth, which not only improve the efficiency of the system but also improve durability and promote the sustainable development of renewable energy. Solar cable system wiring provides an ideal unified solution that makes installation faster, safer, more reliable, and more cost-effective. We are the reliable partner for your solar cable requirements. Leader always adhere to sustainable development, and our product materials meet international environmental standards, which helps promote and apply green energy.